Poverty is the state of not having enough material possessions or income for a person's basic needs. Poverty can have diverse social, economic, and political causes and effects. Poverty reduction, poverty relief, or poverty alleviation is a set of measures, both economic and humanitarian, that are intended to permanently lift people out of poverty. International Poverty Eradication Day. The International Day for the Eradication of Poverty is an international observance celebrated each year on October 17 throughout the world. The first commemoration of the event took place in Paris in 1987 when 1 lakh people gathered on the Human Rights and Liberties Plaza at the Trocadero to honor victims of poverty, hunger, violence, and fear at the unveiling of a commemorative stone by Joseph Brzezinski, founder of the international movement ATD Fourth World. In 1992, 4 years after Brzezinski's death, the United Nations officially designated October 17 as the International Day for the Eradication of Poverty. The International Day for the Eradication of Poverty promotes dialogue and understanding between people living in poverty and their communities and society at large. It represents an opportunity to acknowledge the efforts and struggles of people living in poverty, a chance for them to make their concerns heard, and a moment to recognize that poor people are in the forefront in the fight against poverty. The International Committee for October 17 was launched in 2008 to promote the International Day for the Eradication of Poverty in its founding spirit. The composition of the committee is unique, with members including people with lived experience of extreme poverty and human rights defenders engaged in the fight against poverty. Every year, the International Committee engages in a consultation process through the Forum on Overcoming Poverty to select a theme for the annual observance of October 17 by the UN, with input from people with lived experience of poverty. The theme for International Poverty Eradication Day 2021 is Building Forward Together, Ending Persistent Poverty, Respecting All People and Our Planet.